Let's look at how to graph the equation y equals x squared minus 16 by first finding the intercepts. Here is the solution. First, to find the y-intercept, we simply set x to 0 because the y-intercept is where the graph crosses the y-axis, and that always happens when x is 0. So plugging that in, we get y equals 0 squared minus 16. 0 squared is just 0, and 0 minus 16 gives us negative 16. So the y-intercept is at the point 0, negative 16. That's the exact point where the graph touches the y-axis. Now, let's move on to the x-intercepts. This is where the graph crosses the x-axis, which means y equals 0. So we set the whole equation equal to 0. 0 equals x squared minus 16. Now to solve that, we add 16 to both sides and get x squared equals 16. Now here's the important part: when we take the square root of both sides, we have to remember both the positive and negative roots. That gives us x equals plus or minus 4. So we found the x-intercept at the points 4, 0, and negative 0. These are the two spots where the graph cuts across the x-axis. To summarize the solution, the y-intercept is at 0, negative 16. The x-intercepts are at 0, and negative 0. And there you have it. Those are the key points that will help you graph this quadratic equation. Here's the graph of the quadratic equation. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give the thumbs up and hit the like and subscribe buttons to get notices for similar videos.